Right now, we're dealing with something that's hard, it's divisive, and it's not ice, not this ice or the other ice. It's our alignment rack. I want this channel to always kind of be about running a shop and all that stuff. And our alignment rack, it's not broke, but it's not ideal. We're gonna upgrade the rack. We could go with a Hoffman and we can get it installed quick. We could go with a Hunter, which is debatably better, but it'll take more time. And so we're trying to figure this out. You know, as leadership, we take all the input for the techs and blah, 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 blah. We have to decide what is the best thing to do. And dude, at this point, it is literally down to a coin toss. So I'm gonna see if the team wants to do a coin toss and we're just gonna film it. So we're just gonna do this. AJ. So
sure, I'll be on camera.
Just for a second, we can edit it out.
Okay,
no. Before. We all know this alignment machine is a coin toss.
Yeah.
Do you wanna do a coin toss?
Sure. I like gambling.
Let's just get everybody, make sure they want to do the coin toss. I've already okayed this with leadership.
Oh,
we'll go. We're gonna do. Yeah,
we're gonna. Decision.
Yes.
Okay. Yeah. That's fun.
But I want to film it and.
Then no one could be mad.
Yes.
Let's do it.
Okay. Yeah. Do it. You're okay.
Yeah. Let's do it.
Yeah, okay. All right. We're gonna all talk about it. Maybe we get. We're doing this quick. This is just happening. So come on, Manny.
What's going on?
Do you believe in higher power?
Possibly.
Doesn't matter anyways, because it could be random, it could be a higher power. The alignment rack, I think, is coming down to a coin toss. Is that okay?
Yeah, that's fine.
Okay.
I'm a gambler.
Okay, all right. Where's Ethan? Come on.
Where are we going? What are we doing?
I think you'll be okay with this, but I need everybody's okay.
I'm scared.
You guys got it?
Look at him go. What happened? He just ran away.
So I was on my bike ride this morning and I was thinking about this. And dude, I've talked about this coin toss idea. And so, but God, there's so much stuff I gotta talk about or want to talk about. But you know, I'm 43 years old.
Oh, it's good. Jose? Yeah, Jose's not in here.
So I have some stories that I have learned in my 43 years of experience and, you know, just being in all of my life's experience. So me and my wife, when we disagree about something and we both feel like we have, you know, equal sides and we both feel strongly about our things, we'll do a coin toss. And the thing we do about this coin toss is we literally have no regrets about it. So I'll tell you two stories just so this makes sense. Because we did the circle tour around Lake Superior and I had this dinghy boat and Rachel was like, no, we don't need to bring it. We're just gonna be swimming and doing it. And I'm like, no, we need to bring it. And you know, we were arguing about that. We did the coin toss, we brought it, and we never used it. So, but the thing about that is Rachel was never upset about that because we did the coin toss and we were in perfect alignment. We were looking at a camper and I wanted this certain camper.
I don't know Anderson had a camper.
But it was like right at the max of our towing capacity. And then there was this other camper.
Maybe it'd have a TV.
But it was like in the middle of our towing capacity. And we flipped the coin and we got the lighter camper, but we didn't like it. And we actually traded it in and lost like $3,000. But again, we had no regrets. But we followed the process and we accepted it and we were all in alignment. And so this is the same thing. Like, do we want to go over the pros and cons? Like, I don't know, for the video. Like, what are the pros of the Hunter? The Hunter is the best. Everyone knows Hunter is the best. But we can get the Hoffman quicker, which is a huge thing. It's actually cheaper, which saves some money. All you guys saw, money is an issue. Like, we have to get a loan for this. And so that's a factor. But again, we're taking a loan. It is what it is. We just paid a loan off. Is everyone in agreement that we do the coin toss, we're all in alignment?
I mean, it's a 50-50 split.
We follow the process, no regrets. No one's like, God, we should have done this, blah, 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 blah. Like, we as a team, which is the most important thing.
Here, AJ has a good idea.
Oh, I think we should ask the subscribers what they think. Don't forget to drop a like, subscribe.
Hoffman or Hunter? Oh, and don't forget to buy some merch.
Merch, link below.
Yeah, merch is linked below. You can buy merch on our YouTube page, which
Gotta be like, we're not sponsored by either one, but if Hunter want to sponsor us, you know,
yeah, that's another thing. If Hunter wants to sponsor us, yeah. If Hunter or Hoffman want to sponsor us, then we'll pick that one. Yeah, 200,000 subscribers, we'll buy them both. Yeah, we'll have 2 alignment racks. Yeah.
All right, who got a coin?
All right.
Pick which one?
No.
No. Which fat as we go?
All right. Are we doing 2 out of 3 or?
No, let's do one. Let's do one. Just one.
just let it hit.
You really? I thought 2 out of 3. One and done.
One and done.
That's the only way to do it.
Heads Hunter.
That's the only way to.
Heads Hunter, tails Hoffman.
I'm gonna get Hoffman.
Slow-mo on the coin.
I don't know if I can do that.
Hey, drum roll, please.
And yeah, let's do it. No regrets. I love that.
Ragrets?
All right,
Letter?
Heads Hunter. Heads Hunter. Heads Hunter, tails Hoffman. I almost don't want. Does anyone want to?
I got you. Yo, drop it.
Oh, it says. Oh my God.
Jump on the ground.
Tails. All right. You guys are gonna have an alignment rack next week. Yeah. So it is what it is.
They're the same picture.
No regrets. So it's I am so glad this pressure is off me.
We're done.
And we are done with this decision because this has weighed on me for so long. Yeah, that's pretty bad. You guys are donating your lunch? And then you're buying your own, dude. That's even better. Yeah, dude. That's doing it big.
Oh, we go to Holiday gas station, bro. Get that $3 bill.
Get the.
But we're local, though. We gotta get something local. Like,
We helping the.
All right, flip the coin. Try to get into the lunch or not.
I think we got to do that.
Do it right now.
Or we got to do that. Can this be the outro? Can this be the outro?